In this video, we are going to add custom Asset Navigator columns. Custom columns are used to view asset-related properties. Asset properties include self-referential properties, such as alarm count or child equipment count, and equipment properties defined in the workbench. Custom columns can be text, microcharts, or icons. To create custom Asset Navigator columns, create an Asset Navigator in GraphWorx. Open the Configuration pop-up and select the Controls tab and enable the header. This displays the names of the columns we create. Then select the Columns tab. You can see that by default there is one column for the assets. To create a new column, click the plus sign to the right of the Edit Columns field. Select the unnamed column and notice the Content field. The Content field determines if the data is text, microchart, or icon. For our first example, create a text column. In the Property Name field, browse for a property you want to display. In my configuration, I will pick Child Equipment Count. Notice how the field only populates with the .child equipment count portion of the tag. This is because we want to view the property for every asset in our tree, not just the single instance we selected in the data browser. Name the column appropriately. Notice how we configure the text and create styling rules for the columns. Press OK. Go to Runtime. The child equipment count for each asset is listed in the Equipment Count column. Go back to Configuration mode and open the Asset Navigator configuration pop-up again. Go to the Columns tab and add a third column. Name the column Microchart and change the content to Microchart. Select a tag you want to visualize. In my configuration, I select the Alarm Active Unacknowledged Count. Configuration for the microchart is in the Microchart section. For the demonstration, we can change the data read rate and the time range to 1 and 5 seconds respectively. Press OK and go to Runtime. Notice the microchart updating in real time. We can remove, change the order, and copy our custom columns. If we open the Configuration window again and select the Columns tab, there are buttons to the right of the Edit Columns field. The minus sign removes the selected column. The up and down arrows change the order of the columns in the Navigator. The last button duplicates the selected column. Custom columns in Asset Navigator give the operator a quick overview of what is occurring with the assets and what areas need their attention.